traditional, 31.5%. Architectural details, embellishments such as arches, moldings, island legs. Mixed door style and finishes. Decorative cabinet door inserts. Ornate and decorative lighting. Hutch style cabinets. Below are two great traditional kitchen. Each design has many traditional elements, with a modern twist. The traditional style is expressed with mixed door styles, decorative cabinet doors and high hutch style cabinets. 2. Contemporary, 25%. Simplicity. Stainless steel appliances. Very light or very dark wood. Light countertops. Minimal clutter. Pop of color. Subtle flooring. This contemporary kitchen by MSEC has a beautiful, minimal design with rich natural materials. 3. Transitional, 16.5%. Blended functional kitchen space with a sit-down dining area. Kitchen island for added counter space and pub-style seating. Wood cabinets. Simple accents. Neutral colors. A transitional kitchen with a living area, the kitchen island and the television blend the space together. 4. Modern, 11%. Flat panel cabinet door style. Sleek and simple hardware. Lack of ornamentation. Reliance on the beauty of natural materials. Emphasis on horizontal lines. Industrial elements. A modern kitchen is sleek, simple, and bright, industrial elements balanced with natural materials. 5. Farmhouse, 3%. Natural wood. Cooking spaces for large meals. Classic farmhouse sink. Large farm dining table. Antique style accessories. Although farmhouse kitchens are typically in older traditional homes, this kitchen design displays many farmhouse features, natural wood, lots of cooking space and plenty of accessories as decoration. Hello guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Turn on notification this channel. Like this video. See you guys.